Righto guys, well today in the workshop we have this superb looking F350 Lariat edition in full black, and I must say this build came out so neat and really a practical way on a canopy setup. These half canopy trays are perfect. You've still got plenty of storage at the back for eskies or anything else you want to throw in the rear, as well as your full canopy setup in there. But let me walk you through the front of the vehicle from the front to the back. We had the privilege of installing our AX27 Rooftop Tent as well as our 270 XT MAX Awning. And a nice one on this one, this tent's mounted in reverse. So I'll show you guys a bit of a trick there. Now coming on the front of the vehicle there, we have got the Tough Truck big heavy duty bull bar. That's a full aluminium bull bar, so not weighing overly much, just really nice on the front end, and that is housing a carbon winch set up to obviously handle the weight of this big truck as if it was towing a big caravan or boat as well. Now we've got the 2 GME antenna on the front end over there, as well as a set of light force spotlights. Now on the roof rack, Rhino Rack's new roof rack on that, that's a new platform edition. Really keeping a nice and slimline on the back there, big side steps, and a set of towing mirrors would have come standard in the F350 Lariat edition. Now on the rear of this, the GCI Traytec half canopy tray combo. This is really well set up with your diesel filler over here, your AdBlue, as well as a water tank filler on the opposite side. Internals on the canopy, well, let's say external, so drawers. You've got these slide out drawers, perfect for storing recovery gear, little bits and pieces, and this one over here as well. Pull-out drawer system, really nice feature from GCI. Now as far as strapping things in the rear go, you've got these external rail tie-down points, so keeping it practical, you can still fasten up the jerry cans or the big luggage boxes on the rear end. Now this is really neat. With the rear load bar, we're able to bridge the gap of the actual tray there, so allowing us to put the tent up on there. Now on our side, I'm going to climb up, get the step ladder out the rear and show you guys just what we've done onto the rooftop tent. So in the specific setup, we've actually mounted the ladder brackets on the roof rack itself, and that is basically going to act as a platform to stand up. Now I'm going to climb up top and open it up, but really simply coming like that, you can extend that hooking into our universal ladder bracket on the top like such. Just extend it out where it needs to be. From here I'll pop up and open up the rooftop tent. So coming up the ladder, extremely stable. It's the great thing about being able to stand up on these platform racks. Now on the top of the tent, we've actually fitted a set of load bars with high foot brackets. So if you were to put anything over the top of the solar panel, it easily fits in, as well as a 215 watt solar panel on the solar panel brackets in the center of the tent. Now releasing the 2 stainless steel latches and letting the tent do the heavy lifting for you. You just grab the bungee, pull it down to the bottom. Extremely easy from here on. Simply spring rod into the stainless steel receivers, and as you can see, just having the stability on a platform like this is a great way to have your tent around. There we go, bed all set. Now I'll come down. Now the other thing that we attached onto the side of the tent is the actual awning. Now Robert is a repeat customer, so great for coming back to us and thanks for supporting us again. But this awning has had a bit of a freshen up. So this is one of our older XT MAX awnings, still with the silver top on them. What we've ended up doing is putting on a new bag, and it's just really easy to set up. So simply unzip the bag, release the 2 Velcro straps like that and that, and the awning will simply roll out into position. Now from here, you can walk it around. Now what I generally do is take the front strap, leave it slightly loose, take it all the way around the vehicle. Now it's a big vehicle to get around, but this will work up an absolute treat on the setup. Hook it into position on the eye bolt provided on the front of the roof rack. Now second stage is the rear arms. Then what I like doing is coming back and tensioning it as needed on the front. So we'll simply pull this around, attach it onto the side of the tent on the strap hook bracket over there, and pull that tension on there, and then come back to the front and do this. Now this setup itself on an XT MAX awning usually only takes about a minute, so it's super quick to set up. Now the great thing is, as you can see, is there you go, tension that right up. The great thing, as you can see, is the setup and the access to this door. So opening this up, kept the GCI Traytec canopy super simple. Great little feature, grab handle, so it's easy to get to and pull down. You don't always have your dirty fingers touching the doors every single time. Now, Bushman stand-up refrigerator there, full Enerdrive battery system. So that'll have a lithium battery setup as well as an inverter in there ready to go. Guys, thanks for watching this walkthrough of this F350 Lariat edition. It's great to have you guys back in. Thanks for giving us the opportunity to put on the AX27 Rooftop Tent. Now, for more information on our products, go to our website at thebushcompany.com. Don't forget to go bush, and I'll catch you later.